Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I have this cool watch face trick that you can try out on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. Also I have a watch face from MD watch faces for giveaway. So let's get started. Basically you can make any GIF as your watch face on Galaxy Watch. And to do this you have to simply choose or download any GIF on your phone. I'm using Giphy from Google Play Store. Just save any GIF to your gallery. After that it has downloaded. You can change its aspect ratio to 1:1 so that it perfectly fits on your Galaxy Watch display. Next you have to go to variable application on your phone. Here in watch faces, under basic you will see my photo plus. Just choose it and tap on customize. Select background and choose that GIF file that you have downloaded. So that's it. In this way you can make your own animated watch faces for your Galaxy Watch. This will work on any Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 5. So try it out and let me know in the comments section. Okay, now moving on to the watch face. This is MD300, available on Google Play Store from MD Watch Faces. I'm giving away a lot of coupons just for Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 5 users. So all you have to do is that just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section. I'll be picking up lucky random users in a day or two. So good luck everyone. MD300 has this awesome simple design where our time is highlighted here in this box and battery percentage is present just under it. The rest of the watch face shows a lot of information which is readable in an easy way. Further, you can customize this watch face like changing battery indicator color, changing minutes color, hour color, seconds color, color of date, and overall information in the background can be changed as well. So try it out and let me know in the comment section. Talking about watch face always on display mode, this is kinda nice as well. You can see that watch face display is dim, so it is easily readable in low light. And that's all about it. I hope you liked it and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.